guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the info. Shit just farted. Little boy just pooting today. And welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. I am doing fantastic. Another day, another blessing. Content has been slow, guys. There just hasn't been a lot going on, man. I'm at a pause with like all the cars right now. Oh, best believe we about to hop in that express lane. So I ain't dealing with this today. But yeah, man, the cars are pretty much at a pause right now. I got 4 cars in the shop right now. It's crazy. This is the only car I got right now. So 340, obviously, it's at PQ. You guys know what's going on with that. They're having some slight issues with it. They think it's possibly the DME, so they ordered a new one. Who knows how long that's gonna take, so gonna be waiting on that. Z is also at the shop, as you guys know. That's getting worked on. We possibly might be finishing that up today. The fabricator is coming through and he's going to modify the downpipe, make sure that fits, and make me a custom dump tube. So whenever I want a full send and have all the power, I'll just throw the dump tube on, because I'm not sure when my guy's gonna start the 4-inch exhaust. I'm not having any high hopes for that, so it might be for a while. So I definitely don't want to tune the Z on the Tomei, because the Tomei is only 3 inches and that's just not enough. What she said, Z is definitely going to need a 4-inch exhaust, but honestly nothing's really going to beat the dump tube right off of the turbo. So I'm definitely going to be running the downpipe for sound purposes. But once it's time to tune, I'm probably going to take the downpipe off. Hopefully we finish that up today. As far as the S15, not gonna lie, bro, it's lagging. I dropped the car off at the beginning of August and it is almost October. It's kind of ridiculous, to be honest, man. Like, I don't know what it is, bro. Like, I really don't know what it is. I'm very cordial with people. I'm straightforward. Like, I let them know, like, yo, this is what I got going on, and they kind of give me that same energy back. 2 months later, the work that was promised isn't done, and it's just like, it's so irritating, bro. Like, it's hella irritating. Like, me personally, I don't like to rush people. I know business is business. Stuff happens unexpectedly. And it's like, you know, sometimes it's beyond our control, but I just kind of get irritated when people aren't like giving me updates, or more just like, can you just tell me, like, yo, I got a lot going on, bro. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this car in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Then I'll just be like, it's cool, bro. Don't trip. I'll take the car somewhere else. Like, I'll get it done. Ah, man, you guys are crawling. Come on, bro. Come on. Why are you letting a truck pass you? I can't with these drivers, bro. Like, you guys are crawling. Oh my God. I don't know why it is that people love to lag on me, bro. It's like I have a tattoo on my head that says, just lag on this guy, it's cool. Pretty bummed about that, because the weather's like kind of nice right now, man, and I want to be outside with the 15, bro. Oh, bro, we're stopped? Really? God. The only positive news I have about any of them is the Z. That should be maybe possibly turning on today. I see the ops. I am stock officer. Good thing I got out of that lane. We go from legal to illegal. 340's at the shop, Z's at the shop, S15's at the shop, G35's at the shop. As far as the G35, I got no updates on that. Bro has the motor, he has the car, so really no excuses. He should be working on it. I've just been having so much going on, I just really haven't cared to bother him or see what's going on with that. And that's gonna contribute to a little bit of the content being pretty slow. Normally, you know, I got some stuff going on with the cars, but everything is just kind of at a pause right now. So hopefully we start the Z up and get that thing running by tonight. Oh, no, hell no, another op? Yo, they deep in this lane today. Why, bro, creeping? He's going so slow. Bro looking sus. Hopefully we hear some good news about the S15 at least. I'm really looking forward to that. Like, I want my 15 back, man. I miss that car. I literally dropped the car off August 7th, I believe, and it's about to be October, bro. Like, for a wrap is crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on with all the cars, if you guys are wondering. Currently right now, I'm actually on my way to PQ and I'm dropping some coils off to them. I don't know how, bro. I don't know how. Like I said, God be sending me parts, bro. I found some KWs, Ford 340, which is like very hard to find since it's X-Drive. It's just like very uncommon to find them unless you buy them brand new, which I wasn't trying to do because they're like 3 bands. But I found some for like a steal, bro. Absolute steal. It was such a steal. I was begging the guy like for me to come pick him up like then and there. He's like, bro, I'm not home. I'm like, well, go home so I could pick him up. So I'm about to drop those off to PQ and just have them put those on whenever they got time. What's up, G? That drive it though. I think it's a manual too. Sounds like it. But whoa, buddy, the Optima's smoking, dog. Very happy that I secured those coils. I needed that bad. It has BCs on it right now with Swift springs, but honestly it rides like ass. I've had good experiences with BCs in the past, but I don't know, just I guess on that car they're way too bouncy. So it could possibly maybe be the spring rates the guy put on before. I don't know. The adjustment's all seized up and I just think the coils are old. So yeah, when we get it back, the car should be riding beautiful now that we got some KWs. So I'm gonna drop these coils off real quick to PQ. Then after that, I'm heading back over to the shop and the fabricator should be pulling up. All right, guys, we arrived here at Young PQ. Just dropped off the coils to him. Check this out. Satin PPF. Get a good look. Frozen gray. That is crazy. They look exactly identical. Like, exactly identical. I'm pretty sure BMW uses this color because this is literally just PPF. And they look, I would say 98% identical. It just seems like the Frozen has a little more shine to it. But they're super identical. Shit always trips me out. Pretty sick. So I got my own Frozen gray. Okay. Hey, it's my boy. Yeah, bulletproof. My boy B. G80 gang now. Got an M4. Dang, the lip has seen better days. I feel you. The M Tizzle. Always got some heat here, man. Hey! The boot thing. She dirty. Not gonna lie, man, I miss driving this thing. So they think something's going on with the DME. They ordered a new one. After that, hopefully, fingers crossed, we should be good. Everything else is fine. We have the drive shaft on there. The built trans is in there now. We got the upgraded torque converter. All it really needs right now is just some upgraded axles. So maybe I'll be doing those soon. Probably from Drive Shaft Shop. I think they do them. Then at that point, we should honestly be able to pretty much launch this thing without little to no issues. A transfer case is still OEM, so that might be an issue, but transfer case and axles probably be the only thing I'll have problems with launching it. I'm not trying to build a dig car. I just know that with the right stuff, it'll work. So I just want to have some fun with it. But this should be a pretty quick roll car. So we'll see how everything goes. Not gonna lie, man, I really miss driving this thing because I truthfully do not care to put any kind of miles on this car. Like, it already has higher miles, so I really don't care on the miles on this car. I just hate like daily in the M4 now because the car is just so nice and the miles are still kind of low, and I'm just like driving it for no reason right now. You know what I mean? So it's what it is. This is the life I chose, right? But see you soon. I'm tripping out how my car looks like Frozen gray. Like, bro, look at him. That's wild. Trippy, man. Damn, this M4 is so clean. It's just perfectly set up. Alright guys, we here. We got my guy setting up again. Back with the Z. Alright, so here is the downpipe that I have. But now that we have different manifolds on it and different turbo, everything is different now. So this doesn't fit how it should. So this part, he's probably going to have to chop, do some pie cuts, figure it out, make that work. Eventually. Alright guys, we got some progress. A little anaconda.
Yeah, boy.
It don't. Okay, some light. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
That's how off it was. Crazy. Pain in the ass, pain in the ass. And as you can see here, guys, this is what I mean. The Tome is no bueno no more. I know I am the Tome guy, but I'm gonna have to make my own Tome. My downpipe is bigger than my actual exhaust now. So I'm actually probably losing power with this, even currently. So yeah, this gotta go. All right, I think he just got done purging. Getting it high, huh? Dang, straight from Tome. Guy does crazy work, man. For being mobile, insane. Definitely gets down. Hope this all works out in the end, guys. There was nothing wrong with my car. Boosting 25 pounds, no problem. But everybody's fast nowadays, so just trying to keep up. All right, guys, check it out. As you can see, this thing needed some heavy modification. Crazy. Should have just redid the whole kit at this point. Pretty much did. It's a little Frankenstein now. Almost there though. We should be able to get it for startup tonight. Alright guys, check it out. We are pretty much done under here. There's a few things I need to address. I need to reroute the coolant line for the turbo. Probably around the other side because it's just way too close to the manifold. Basically everything to prevent a fire. Because it already caught on fire once. I definitely don't want that happening again. So yeah, there's a few things I need to do under here. But as far as right now, we should be able to start up. Obviously, I need to do the wastegate lines and coolant lines, but for startup, we should be fine. I just got to put the charge pipes on, and we're going to give it a try and see what's good. All right, guys, this is going to be the first startup on the new setup. Surprisingly, it's not that loud. Sheesh. Look at that intercooler though. God damn. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today. Shout out my boy Ryder. I'll throw his Instagram down here. You guys see his work. I mean, for being mobile, honestly, that's amazing work, in my opinion. And huge shout out to the homie Ronnie over here, letting me use his lift and the space. So I will also throw his over here if you guys need some work. He kind of just works on everything. As you can see, there's all kind of stuff in here. We got Murcielagos. We had an 812 in here last time. We got an Audi. He got his Nova over there. It's just kind of everything. And he's actually the only person, if you know someone that has a Fisker, he's the only person right now, I think, in SoCal that's authorized to work on Fiskers. So if you guys know anyone that has a Fisker and they need like a recall, like think the door handles and the water pump, he's the guy. He's the guy. Hit him up. Honestly, I was surprised at the sound. I thought it was going to be a lot more louder and like rowdy. But honestly, it sounds really crisp. And if anything, I feel like it might be a little bit quieter on the lower RPM. When we first turned it on, one of the O2s wasn't plugged in, so it was kind of misfiring a little bit. But after we plugged it in, that's when I was revving it. None of the boost lines are connected. The coolant's not connected to the turbo. There's still some plumbing and some rerouting and a few other things I need to do. Today is, I'm about to say Friday. Today's Thursday. I'm probably going to come back on Monday or Tuesday and try to button everything up and get this thing ready and take it home so I can get it out of his shop and out of his way. And then after that, all we'll really be waiting on is just a tune. See what happens. Either it's gonna blow up or it's gonna take it. One or the other. We will see what happens. Nice long week of progress with the car. Extremely nice to have a fabricator be able to actually come through and work and do his job. Man of his word, super cool guy, like hella respectful. Cleans up his area when he leaves. Like, the dude's super cool. So if you guys need some fabrication work, definitely hit up that dude Ryder. He'll pretty much get it done, whatever you need. I think he could do anything at this point. Man, I love this car. Can't wait to hear how it actually sounds on the road. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully beginning of next week we'll be driving this thing again. I mean, obviously it's not tuned for the new setup, but I can still drive it normally. But yeah, man, that is probably gonna be it for this video. On that note, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I know you guys want to see some more of this thing, so stay tuned. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.